Welcome back to day 3 of my trading journey, guys. So today we're going to be comparing two strategies, which is going to be the optimal strategy and the aggressive strategy. So let's see which strategy is going to be the best to help us reach our goal fast. Today I'm going to be using the last profit we made from fixed and consecutive to apply them on optimal and aggressive strategy. So guys, with the optimal strategy, how does it work? So basically it's going to multiply the risk amount by 3. So what do I mean by that? So let's say maybe we risk $1. So if you lose that $1 trade, it's going to multiply that by 3. So the next trade is going to be $3, and then maybe if you lose that one, it's going to be $6. And what is nice about that, if maybe we win the $6 trade, we're going to be recovering all of the losses we made plus more profit. So this is why I like these strategies, because they work along with the market, because as you know, the market has a random distribution between wins and losses. So we can lose 2 times and then win 1 and just recover everything. So yeah, that's basically the explanation of how the optimal strategy works. And then with the aggressive strategy, it's going to be a little bit aggressive. How? It's going to be multiplying by 4. So what do I mean by that? Maybe let's say we start from $1 and then we lose that $1 trade. The next dollar trade is going to be what? It's going to be $4, and it's going to go up like that. So it's going to be using a bit higher multiplication rate than optimal, but then it's almost the same thing, just that it's going to be a little bit aggressive with the funds. And what does that mean? It's going to be more profit. Maybe let's say we lose 4 trades and then the 5th trade is going to recover everything. So I'll give myself 10 minutes for each strategy, just like how we did on the other video. We're going to be giving each strategy 10 minutes and then we're going to be seeing which one is going to be best for the $5,000 challenge. So with that said, guys, let's get to the chart. Right guys, so now it's time to experiment these two strategies. So as you can see right there, I'm just going to be using these 2 accounts that we used previously. Okay, so with we're gonna start with this one, right? I'm going to be using the optimal and aggressive strategy, right, as you can see. But then with what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the trades with $1, but as you see, they're going to multiply, right? They're going to multiply a little bit aggressive, especially on aggressive strategy. That is why we're starting from 1, right? So you'll see how we're gonna be doing this. Okay, so right now everything is proper. The AI indicator, as you can see, you just open it there, and then I'm going to be trading the crypto composite index, right? So yeah, man, let's start the robot, and then let's see where we go. And remember guys, we're just going to be using exactly 10 minutes. So the time is 13:56. So yeah, we're gonna count 10 minutes from there, and then we're done. We're just going to be taking 10 trades. Let me just put it like that. 10 trades, and then we do the most. So basically 2:06 we stop this one, and then we experiment the next one. So let's see if we win this one or what happens, right? Let's see. But then yeah, this looks like a good trade. It took a little bit of time to close, but then I'm just experimenting so that you guys can see how this happened. As you can see now, we lost the first trade, and then it's going to multiply right now by $3 per trade. And yeah, we just only need 1 trade to recover everything, you know. So the market has a momentum, as you can see right there. The candlestick are moving very much nicely there, right? And and yeah, man, let's wait and see if we win this one or this one is gonna be an L. But yeah, I'm just open with it, man. I'm open with it. I took 2 losses now, and yeah, let's continue. Oh yeah, as you can see, the trade usually started 40 seconds, but then it has to be 1 minute. So that is why I took a bit too close, because it's filling up the time. But yeah, let's just be patient, and everything is gonna go well for sure. But with these strategies, as you can see, the risk increases quite a lot, and also the winner is going to be like that as well, you know, the vibes. So this one has to win for sure. I'm sure about that. 100% this is gonna be a winner for sure. Guys. As you can see right there, we'll see at the top it's gonna win, and then as you can see right there, we're now up, you know, and then it starts afresh again. You know, we're up $1. So yeah, I'm a bit consecutive with the money I'm risking, but yeah, it's still fine, you know. you need to know your risk, guys, calculate properly and not mess things up for yourself. And yeah, what's the time now? We're left with like 7 minutes for sure. But yeah, let's do the most and see the rewards performance, the vibes. We'll see how we'll end on optimal risk. But this looks like it's gonna be a winner, which is good. We're going up, we're doing the most. The AI knows what it's doing, man. And this is my favorite instrument to trade, if you wanted to know. So yeah, that one wins, and then we take another one. We're up $2, so we take another one up $2. But then with the risk, it depends on you though. But then I just prefer to start on one. You can start on two, but now we're using extremely risky strategies. Like, they are pretty much aggressive, so you need to start less, but it depends on your risk appetite. If it was $100, I was gonna start at 2, and then trade for my 10 minutes and then go out. So let's see how this one plays out. And yeah, pretty much recovering. Remember the other time we closed on 56, so we are going up for sure. That one was a loss, and then we risk 3. If we win this one, we're still gonna be up. So it multiplies very much nicely, because every time you lose, it's gonna increase, and then we're just gonna make the profit back again. So yeah, we still have some time, so let's just be patient with it. So we're now gonna going to $6, and then we see how this one reacts. But yeah, we still have some time. Not rushing the process, bruh. No stress. Here you just watch, and then your time. Maybe you're gonna be trading for 10 or 20 minutes or 30 minutes or an hour, up to you. And then also have your profit target. But yeah, this is how the strategy works here on Optimal. As you can see, we're almost at $50 right now. You see, we're up very much nicely. So we're back to $1 risk. We have 3 minutes left. So yeah, let's see if we're gonna be ending the 10-minute session profitably. But yeah, we're recovering pretty much fast here. And if you're wondering the other previous strategies, you can watch the previous video and you will see how they performed. But the fixed wasn't profitable that much. See, the more riskier strategies are the ones that are profitable, We're taking an L. So let's see how it's gonna multiply now from 6 with the optimal. So now we're at 13, as you can see right there. We're now at 13. And let's see, but this one looks like it's gonna go up. I have like my instinct telling me that, But then yeah, let's watch the market. What's the time now? It's already 6 past. Wow, so beautifully, as you can see right there, we made our profit. So yeah, you just need to give yourself time. 10 minutes ain't not enough, but then you can see that okay, we did recover that in a space of 10 minutes. We were done. It's a profitable 10 minutes for the optimal strategy, which works good because we were like around 45 or 46 around there. So you managed to make like almost $5 in 10 minutes. So maybe if you can multiply the 10 minutes maybe to 30 minutes, you can make yourself some good money. So yeah, that's how the optimal strategy is gonna work. But then it depends on the risks. Just that if we're on $50, I usually prefer to put 1, but then on 100, especially on this real account, when we're continuing with the $5,000 challenge, you will see. And then now let's test the optimal strategy. The aggressive. The optimal was profitable, as you saw there. Our 10 minutes was amazing. We did manage to recover and we're up. So yeah, that's amazing. So let's start the robot here on aggressive, and then we see what's going on. So this is the other. I had to use this one. Sorry guys, I had to use that one. So let's stop this. But then that one seems like it's gonna win though. Yeah, we're using the $60, so sorry about that. And then we start with this account. Yes sir. as you saw, guys, we started this one at what? Started this one at $60, and then we'll see how it's gonna end. You know the vibes, yes sir. So this is the aggressive strategy. Well, with this one, the first trade is gonna be a winner for sure. As you see, the market is moving nicely to our direction, and yeah, as you can see, they were at 61.75. So let's continue, man. Let's continue seeing this one. But then yeah, let's continue, man. So let's see how it might. You see, this one goes to 4 now. It's not the 3, but then it goes to 4, and yeah, let's see if it's gonna be a profitable 10-minute session or what. But then you just need to give yourself some time when you're trading here, you know. Just now, this is just a video of how the strategies work, you know, and then you can then choose the one that works for you the best, you know, from the results. And if you are okay using aggressive optimal, depends on you, man. But yeah, this one is looking a bit good. It's going to our direction. The AI is doing the most, and yeah, man, let's see. But this one is gonna win. My instinct tells me this one won't go back, but yeah, the momentum to the upside is pretty much high. So yeah, that's gonna be a nice $8 profit that we're gonna get, because we're risking 4, and then the 4 goes, and then yeah, as you can see, we're at 64 right now. So yeah, 64, we're doing the most, bro. We're doing the most aggressive. Wait. This one is gonna lose. So let's go to 4, and then you see what happens. So it's a buy. So the robot decided to take a buy. So let's see. So that one is gonna take us out, and then let's see. We're now at $9. Damn. So this one is a bit aggressive when we lose. You know, it risks more. But you know, like when we come back. Very much powerful. You know the vibes. So yeah. As you can see, man, we're doing the most. We just won the trade, and we're up 5. See the time, we still do have some time. So yeah, let's continue, man. This one lost, but then yeah, we're still continuing, man. We still do have some time. So let's see how the 4 works. So yeah, $4. Let's go. Took ourselves a nice win there, man. Took ourselves a nice win. What's the time? It's almost done. So let's see how this one goes. But aggressive is the way, man. Aggressive is looking a bit amazing, you know. I'm making good profits. And yeah, man, it's doing the most for sure. And our time is almost up for the aggressive strategy, because we're giving each 10, and then yeah, but this one is looking amazing. Let me just stop this, and then let's see how it closes. But then yeah, man, amazing, swift, everything went according to plan. So robot performance, we won both accounts. Both accounts are winning, are doing the most. Both accounts are doing the most, guys. Both accounts are doing the most. But as you can see, it's 18 right now. So yeah, as you can see, from $60 to $70 in space of 10 minutes, which is amazing, bruh. Which is amazing. The robot is doing the most. Shout out to Olymp Matix. This is how I download money, guys, on a daily basis. Easy, $10, and the other one I made 5, so it's like $15 using both strategies. But then as you saw, you will then choose which one works best for you. Yes sir. So guys, our trading sessions are done, and you can see I'm a bit excited because we were able to make profit in both strategies. But then as you saw, the best strategy is going to be the aggressive, because it's the one that made the most profit in the 10 minutes that we tested. But then it usually depends on your risk tolerance at the end of the day. But then guys, let's be real, it's better to risk aggressive, because even if you can lose 3 trades in a row, the 4th trade is going to recover everything and make more profit for us. So that's the conclusion, that one is usually the best, but then it's going to depend on you. So with that said, I'd like for you to also do comment your views and which strategy you feel like it's the best for you and how much money you've made. So with that said, guys, I'd like for you to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also guys, do try this out yourself. The robot is for free. The link is on the description of the video, and then you can start your journey as well. Let's make money, guys. With that said, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Goodbye.